Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video, I need you to buckle up because we are diving into a viral topic that is been making waves on social media for a while. This happened a few weeks ago, and it's about the chase money glitch that a lot of people is talking about. People are saying they have found a way to get insane amount of money, ten of thousands of dollars of cash with this glitch. So the real question here is it a real opportunity doing this, or are setting yourself up for serious trouble in the near future because of this? Let's break it down, and more importantly, I will explain why this so-called hack, because a lot of people say hack, but it's not, might cost you more than you expected, not just in financially wise. So just keep watching this video until the end. That way, I can give you all of the sauce. That way, you are aware of the situation. So let's start with what exactly this glitch is. It's been going viral on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. I mean, in social media in general. The story goes like this. People are writing checks to themselves, depositing them into their Chase account, and supposedly Chase has a glitch where the money is available immediately, even before the check is clear. So that's how people is taking advantage of this. Let me be a little bit more clear. Once the deposit is made, they rush to the ATM and withdraw the cash. And boom, it's gone. I mean, after you have the cash in your hands, there you have it. I mean, what you can do. Instant money, right? So the right answer here is run. Is run. This is not good. This is not a magical money glitch, people. Think about it. Listen to me. This is a classic check fraud. This is a classic check fraud in disguise. It's about to blow up in people's face eventually. So just be careful with this. Let me talk about some of the pros and cons of this quote unquote glitch or hack. While some saw quick and easy money, this method is fundamentally illegal and has zero consequences. So, if we think about the pros from the fraudster perspective, well, you will get quick access to cash. Those who exploited this glitch or the glitch were able to access funds almost immediately. Another pro will say again from the fraudster perspective, no initial detection. So the system delay meant people could withdraw their money without immediate consequences. So that's why they think that they have a easy cash and quick cash and you are good to go and you won't be or people won't find out. So on the con side, this is a bank fraud. So this is a illegal and considered bank fraud, leading to potential criminal charges, including hefty fines and prison sentence. So think about this before you get into it. Another con is negative intent on financial future. Fraudsters face being blacklisted by major financial institutions. Example could be Chase, Bank of America, or whatever you practice these illegal stuff. So also these big banks or major financial institutions can flag you in the system like early warning system or something like that. That's the EWS. So making it nearly impossible for you to open an account, to open banks accounts or use services. So remember that after you are in their system and if their system connect between financial institution, you are all messed up. So just be careful with this situation because it's really a huge deal and people are not thinking about it. Another con is the loss of legitimate money. So many participants lost their legitimate funds in the process. So just be aware of this. This means that the banks could reclaim any money withdrawn and accounts were often left in negative balance because they won't get a loss. So if they discover that you did something like that, they will get the money back somehow. You will have the account in negative and the trouble is started for you. So just be aware of that. One example is like a participant who withdrew $10,000 but also had 5,000 in legitimate savings lost it all when Chase reclaimed the funds. So they basically, what happened here is they saw an opportunity, they took it, they withdrew those $10,000, and then they have on their own money in hard work saved $5,000. The Chase on find out, they took that $5,000 and also put their account in negative 5,000. So if you can tell like that, that's how trouble start for you. Let me tell you right now, this is not a slick way to get rich at all. So just be careful with it. This is a plain old fraud that it will eat you eventually. Or Chase or any bank for that matter isn't just going to let you walk away with 10,000 of dollars just because of a glitch. As soon as they figure it out or they find out, you are in trouble. So here is what really happens. When you deposit a check, bank will sometimes release a small portion of the funds as a courtesy. So usually within a day. But the actual check can take several days to fully clear and get posted in your account. In this glitch, people are withdrawing more money than their check will ever cover, thinking that Chase won't notice. But the reality is, and spoil alert, Chase notice. So just be aware of this, that this is not that the way that you think it is. So this is illegal. This is a really red flag. This is an alert for you. I'm telling you, don't do this. This is not right. So let's get into the risks. People doing this are literally setting themselves up to felony charges. We are talking about wire fraud, bank fraud, and in some cases, even federal prison time. So, depending on how deep it is or how large is the amount, you can get in a deeper trouble. So, just like we saw with the PPP and unemployment fraud, people are thinking short terms gain without understanding the long term consequences, and that is really messed up. Let me put you an example here. One person I heard about wrote, let's say, $30,000 back to themselves, withdraw as much as they could, and thought they go away clean. Well, there you go. A few days later, their account is not only frozen but overdrawn by ten thousands of dollars. So now they are facing legal actions, and yes, the bank is coming after them. And that's what it might happen to you if you are dealing with this. So don't do it. Don't do it. Don't get into trouble just for the fact of easy money, easy cash. That is not the right way. It's crazy how fast things go viral online, especially when people are desperate for money. With inflations, layoffs, and financial stress, people are more vulnerable to these get rich scheme than ever before. But like I always say, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So just be careful with it because this it doesn't sound right. And I get it. People are struggling. I know that a lot of people are having hard time because they are tight or they don't have enough money or they don't have money at all. So you see flashing a stack of cash from this and you just want to call it a glitch and you think, why not me? Let me try this. But let me tell you, if you thinking like that, you are thinking in the wrong way. They are not showing you the holy story. They are not showing you that you will be part or that you gonna get in trouble. That they are not showing you the part that their accounts were frozen or is or whatever it is or worse. You don't know their situation because they who knows they might talk about it and make a video and post it and then one day later the trouble start. So where they get a visit from the feds, that will be another story. Here is the reality check. So Chase and Mayors banks have some of the most advanced fraud detection system in the world. So they, I mean, for they are the huge or big banks for a reason. They have a security system and all of that that they will figure out eventually. So if there is a quote unquote glitch or a issue with their system, they will find out. With the technology nowadays, they will figure it out. The minute you pull a stunt like this, they have your IP address, your account details, your phone number, and even your social security number. They have all of your information in there to get you somehow. So just keep this in mind. Not only will they freeze your account, but they can block you from banking with them ever again. Worse still, many of these major banks are part of the early warning system, the EWS that I mentioned before. So if you burn a bridge with Chase, they share information or the system are kind of connected somehow, and you could be blacklisted from opening accounts and other places or other financial institutions like big banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or Truist, or something like that. Whoever, whatever bank have access and they have this system connected. So you are not just running a ruin. You are not just ruining a relationship with that specific bank. You are closing door for many others, and you eventually gonna get in trouble because you won't be able to have access to funding. So you're gonna be red flag in many, many places. So just be careful. This is a warning from you. I'm telling you the truth, the everything like it's supposed to be. These kind of schemes often target people who are really struggling. They have a weak minded that are tempted. So let's keep it real. If you are in a financial hole, committing bank fraud is only going to make it worse for you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't take the easy route. Don't take the shortcuts and the short terms decisions or results that is gonna give you a long term consequences, and it's not gonna be a good one. It might not be able to enjoy whatever you did in that short term. So don't do it. So instead of jumping on every viral trend that promises fast money, I want you to think long term. They are legitimate ways to build wealth and get out of debt. You don't need to risk your future for a few quick dollars. Think about it. Be strategic about your decisions because this one doesn't worth it. What are you going to do if you get a 10,000, 30,000, $50,000 quick cash and easy cash, and then in less than a week you might be in jail? You won't even have time to enjoy that money. What are you going to do? So, look into building your credit the right way, learning about the side hustles, or even finding a legit personal loans for emergencies that can help you out with whatever situation you are going through. And yes, those require effort and patience, but it's better do it the right way than get into trouble. But they won't land you in jail at all, so it's even better. So I will tell you this: if you are ever presented with an opportunity like the Chase money glitch in quotation mark, it's crucial to recognize the risk. No get rich scheme that involve bypassing the legal process is ever legitimate. So just again, just be smart about this. Don't fall for things that are wrong. If you think or you it has like a little bit of something in your mind that say, there is something going on here, then don't do it. So it doesn't, I mean, if something tricky or doesn't click to you, don't do it, because this glitch is has all of the red flag in the world. So I want to share with you how to avoid financial fraud. The first thing is understand the risk. Any scheme that seems too good to be true usually is. So don't let financial depression and desperation lead you to risky illegal activity. Another way that you can avoid it is don't participate in fraud. So this means no matter how enticing the promise of free money is, participating in fraudulent activities will lead you to legal trouble. So avoid that at all costs. Another way to avoid it is protect your financial reputation. So participating in a scheme like this can permanently damage your financial standing and blacklist you from big banks or all of them. So instead of relying on risky scheme like chase money glitch, it's essential to adopt strategies that allow you to build long-term wealth and credit health. So the legitimate way to build financial security basically is, if you have some issues here with your credit, well, there is options like repair your credit. You can focus on improving your credit score through legitimate means such as credit repair services or paying off debt. Do it yourself. Do your diligence, do your research, learn how to do it. What are the best practices? Just go back and watch some other videos that I explain you how to do it. And responsibly using credit cards can help you out. Another legitimate way is basically business credit. You can consider this: establish a business and build a business credit. Build a business profile that will help you out. Many institutions provide business loans and credit without requiring perfect personal score that are really separate each other. So that way you can get rely on your business credit in your business entity than your personal score if he's not in a good standing. Another way is personal loan for emergencies, but make sure you know from legitimate financial institution to do this. Do your diligence, do your research, be aware that they are not fraud things. Don't fall for it because that's not good. To wrap up, the chase money glitch may seem like a quick way to access money, but it's perfect example of a dangerous scheme with severe consequences. Fraudulent activities like these may lead you to a short term financial gain, but result in a long term damage to your reputation and freedom. So instead, focus on building your financial future through legitimate means, improving your credit score, and using a smart money management strategy to help you in the process. So as a key takeaway here, there is not such a thing as easy money or even free money. Make a smart legal decision and don't fall for viral trends that could land you in serious trouble. All right, everyone, that is the truth about the chase money glitch. Is not a glitch, it's a trap. So please don't fall for it. Be smart about your decisions. Keep your financial future in mind, and don't let a viral trend lead you to a legal disaster. So there you have it. If you value this video and this information, do me a favor. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this information with people that might need this information. So drop a comment below if you have seen or heard about this glitch. I will see you in the next one. Bye.